Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and launching Google Meet. Check that your camera and mic are not used by another app, because exclusive access blocks effects. Once done, open Chrome or Edge and make sure the browser is updated so background features are available. Sign into your Google account and join the meeting or click the meeting link. Do this now so you can change background settings before your video is visible to others and avoid awkward live switching. You now enable and choose the background effect. Click the three dots, select Apply Visual Effects or turn on Background Blur depending on your interface, and open the Effects panel. Pick Blur for simple privacy, choose a preset image for a professional look, or upload image to use a custom background. Preview the result to check edges. You should adjust lighting and sit centered so the algorithm can separate you from the background. Doing this reduces ghosting and keeps your appearance sharp. You finish by applying the selected effect and verifying the feed is stable. Make sure others can see you clearly before you start presenting. If frame rate or CPU spikes, turn the effect off or reduce camera resolution to improve performance. If the background fails to apply or shows artifacts, update your graphics drivers, restart the browser, or try joining from an incognito window to rule out extensions. One quick fix is to reposition a lamp to reduce shadows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.